Want to master Arch-301 practice questions and actually pass the Salesforce B2B Solution Architect exam? Stay with me. I'll give you a simple study system and walk through real practice questions. I'm Matilda, a certified architect coach. In the next 9 minutes, you'll get a clean, repeatable study system grounded in practice questions, Arch-301 problem walkthroughs, and a smart way to use Prep Bolt practice questions to level up fast. Arch-301 is the Salesforce Certified B2B Solution Architect exam. It tests multi-cloud design skills across B2B commerce, Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Field Service, and more. Key facts: 60 scored questions, up to 5 unscored, 120 minutes, passing score 58%, and a $400 registration fee, so you need focused practice, especially on the big areas, design and data governance. Most people fail not because they lack technical knowledge, but because they don't practice scenario thinking under time pressure. Here's a simple system you can follow this month. 1. Map the exam. Allocate time by weighting design plus data governance first. 2. Confirm prerequisites. Platform app builder, platform DevY, data, and sharing, visibility basics. 3. Practice by domain. Use sets of scenario questions. I recommend Prep Bolt's 112 practice questions. 4. Full-timed mocks. Simulate 60 questions in 120 minutes at least 3 times. 5. Maintain. Finish yearly Trailhead maintenance after certification. Question 1. Universal Containers wants to track customer satisfaction for technicians and jobs. Which solution should they use? A. Integrate existing survey with service appointment and service resource. B. Send Salesforce survey after each appointment and sync with third-party tool. C. Use an AppExchange app to send surveys after work orders. D. Integrate existing survey with case and user records. Answer: A. Integrate survey responses with service appointment and service resource records. This ties customer feedback directly to the job and the technician, exactly what managers need to measure performance. Question 2. UC wants customers to self-schedule maintenance for their assets next month. Which solution should be considered? Options: A. Lightning Web Components, Calendar Module. B. Appointment Assistant Self-Service Scheduling. C. Salesforce Scheduler. D. Standard Salesforce Asset Calendar. Answer: B. Appointment Assistant Self-Service Scheduling. This feature is built for customer-facing scheduling, showing available slots for the next month. Question 3. UC is creating a center of excellence to manage a multi-cloud build internally. Which 2 points should the solution architect recommend? Options: A. All development decisions will be made by internal resources. B. Documentation around the solution will not be a concern. C. Knowledge of the solution will stay within the organization. D. It will be much more cost-effective to create a COE. Answer: C and D. Knowledge of the solution stays internal, and it's more cost-effective. An internal COE preserves expertise and lowers costs, while keeping development aligned with the organization. 1 mock tips. Answer easier questions first. Flag heavy scenarios to return later. If you found this useful, like, subscribe, and comment which practice question you want me to walk through next.